This is another one of Ernie's short workshop tips, and what I wanted to show everyone was, and I know my hands are in the way, but we're going to take them off in a minute. What I wanted to show everyone is an alternate way of attaching a flywheel or any other kind of a wheel to a shaft. Now, there are obvious ways, and the first one is to drill a set screw and put it in that way. Another way is to create a key so that it would be locked on with a set screw. But this alternate method is what I'm going to attempt to show everybody. What I've done is I've created a ring with two tapped holes in it, and you can see one side's got a set screw and the other side's got a little cap screw. I would love them both be set screws, but this is what I had to play around with. And in this case, the flywheel is from this PM engine, and basically what you do is you drill a hole into the hub of the flywheel and this little ring so that it fits right in there. Now what'll happen is, initially it doesn't look like it does very much, but it really does. This is, and they're both threaded in, so this part's threaded in, and you'll notice it still turns on here and it can still be moved around, including the vise. It can still slide in, so it really doesn't do much in the way of anything. But the key here is the second set screw, which does not screw into the flywheel hub, but it's tightened against the hub, and these are sub-miniature parts. When this is tightened, what happens is that plate is cocked. When that plate gets cocked, it now is solid on there. It won't turn the shaft at all. So anyway, hopefully that was clear. Maybe as clear as mud, but there it is. Another one of Ernie's workshop tips.